Augmented analytics refers to a type of data analysis that is enhanced by artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, (ML), technologies. This type of analytics allows humans to better understand data by providing context and insights that may not be immediately apparent. By leveraging AI and ML, augmented analytics makes data analysis more accessible to a wider range of people, helping organizations make better decisions based on their data. From automated modeling to natural language queries, augmented analytics offers a range of powerful capabilities that enable businesses to discover valuable insights from their data. Augmented analytics is a type of data analysis that utilizes artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, (ML), technologies to enhance human interaction with data. Traditional data analysis methods often require specialized technical knowledge and expertise, which can limit the number of people who can effectively analyze and interpret data. However, augmented analytics makes data analysis more accessible to a wider audience by providing insights and context that are easily understandable. One key feature of augmented analytics is its ability to automate data modeling, which saves time and allows for more efficient analysis. This automation can also help identify patterns and trends that may not be immediately apparent to human analysts. Another feature of augmented analytics is its natural language processing (NLP) capabilities, which allow users to ask questions in plain language and receive relevant insights and recommendations in response. Augmented analytics is particularly useful for businesses with large amounts of data that require complex analysis. By utilizing AI and ML, augmented analytics can quickly process large amounts of data and identify meaningful patterns and trends. This, in turn, can help businesses make data-driven decisions and improve their overall performance. Overall, augmented analytics has the potential to significantly improve how businesses analyze and interpret their data. By leveraging AI and ML technologies, augmented analytics makes data analysis more accessible, efficient, and effective for a wider audience.